Presenting PTron Bassbuds true wireless earbuds that is sleek, lightweight and ultra portable. This true wireless earbuds features a built-in HD mic for hands-free calling. It even supports dual stereo calling for better audio clarity. Activate voice assistant on your phone using MFB button on headphone. It delivers up to 6 hours of continuous playback on a single charge and a standby time of 100 hours. With the portable 400 mAh charging cum storage case, you can charge the earphones on the go at least 2 to 3 times a day. PTron Bassbuds true wireless earbuds is lightweight and is designed to ensure perfect canal fit. It gives a snug and secure in-ear fit that reduces the external noise, making it comfortable for all-day wear. With an acoustic design and hi-fi stereo sound, these Bluetooth earphones provide a clean, high-frequency response and distortion-free bass for a loud and clear audio experience. It also features a chipset which allows the headphones to transfer lossless audio quality for a powerful sound. PTron Bassbuds true wireless stereo earbuds are truly universal and can easily connect with any Bluetooth-enabled multimedia devices. It comes with a Bluetooth range of 10 meters. The earbuds come with a multifunction button to easily manage your music and calls. This true wireless earbuds is available in black color. Inside the box, you will find PTron Bassbuds true wireless earbuds, charging case, micro USB cable and manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.